Hello, my name is Paul Noble. I am here to help you learn German, and you can do it. You can start speaking German in just a few minutes. Many people think learning a new language is hard. They think it takes years of difficult study. I am here to tell you that is not true. You already know more German than you think. Many English words are very similar to German words. This gives you a wonderful head start. We will build on what you already know. We will take small, easy steps. You will be surprised at how quickly you can start to understand and speak. Learning German opens up a whole new world for you. Are you ready? Let's get started. Let's start with the most common word you will use. It is the word for hello. In German you say hello. It looks like the English word hello, doesn't it? It even sounds very similar. Just say the English word hallow, as in Halloween. That is very close to the German pronunciation. Hello, you can use this word at any time of day. You can say it to anyone. It is friendly and simple. Try saying it out loud right now. Hello. See? You have just spoken your first German word. It was not difficult at all, was it? Now, let's learn how to say good morning. In German you say Guten Morgen. Let's break that down. The first word is Guten. It sounds like the English word gluten, but with a G sound at the beginning. Say Guten. The second word is Morgen. It is similar to the English word Morgen. Put them together. Guten Morgen. This means good morning. You can use this greeting until about noon. It is a polite and common way to start the day. For good day or good afternoon, you say Guten Tag. Numbers are incredibly useful to know. Let's learn to count from 1 to 10. We will take it slowly. The number 1 is eins. It sounds a lot like the English word ice, but with an N sound in the middle. Think of I-Ns. Try to say it. Eins. The number 2 is zwei. The Z in German makes a TS sound like the end of the word cats, so zwei sounds like TSVI. It rhymes with sky. Eins, zwei. The number 3 is dry. It sounds like the English word dry. The number 4 is wir. The V sounds like F, and IE sounds like E. So vier, eins, zwei, drei, vier. The number 5 is fünf. This has the letter U, a U with 2 dots called an umlaut. Say the English E, then round your lips like you're about to whistle. It is a sound between E and U. Fünf sounds like few, NF. The number 6 is sechs, similar to sechs. Eins, zwei, drei, vier, fünf, sechs. The number 7 is sieben, sieben. The number 8 is acht. The kike made in the back of your throat like in law. 9 is neun. It rhymes with coin. And 10 is sein. Remember, Z is to so sein. Now count to 10. Eins, zwei, drei, vier, fünf, sechs, sieben, acht, neun, 10. You did it. So, the first 2 are yes and no. In German, yes is ja. It's pronounced just like ja. The word for no is nein. Sounds like the English number 9. Ja! Yes! You are learning right now. In German, please is bitte, bitte. And thank you is danke, danke. If someone says danke, you can reply with bitte. A common formal goodbye is auf Wiedersehen, auf, wieder, Wiedersehen, sein. More informal is tschüss, the chi like the Czech in cheese and u like before. It sounds like tschüss. A simple way to ask is wie geht es Ihnen? Wie geht es? Geht es Ihnen? Ihnen. A simple answer is gut, danke, good, thank you. Wie geht es Ihnen? Gut, danke, look at you. A small conversation in German. Wow, you have learned so much in a very short time. Hallo, guten Morgen, guten Tag, guten Abend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ja, nein. Bitte. Danke. Auf Wiedersehen. Tschüss. Set a 5-minute timer. Say your greetings out loud, count to 10, then ein Kaffee bitte. Danke. You can do this. Viel Erfolg.